Hello! This video will show you how to update your DeltaWave C. Before updating your DeltaWave, please check if your device isn't already running on the latest software. To see which software you are working with, just look at the bottom middle of the splash screen when turning on your device. Alternatively, if your device is already turned on, go to the Setup menu, select Complete Setup, and scroll down to System Settings, then enter System Information. In this example, you can see the firmware version is 2.12.4. If there is a newer version of the firmware, you will be able to download it from our website. Please make sure the data logger is turned off. You can check if it is turned on in the top right-hand corner of the screen. It should say Logger Off. Now connect a USB cable to the back of your device and to your computer. DeltaWave C should be recognized as a storage device from your Windows PC. Please upload the update files to the root folder of your DeltaWave. There should be 3 files, including one README test file. Please copy the files and drop them onto the internal storage of your DeltaWave as shown. After the files are uploaded, disconnect the USB cable and restart the DeltaWave. If done correctly, the booting sequence of your DeltaWave C will now take about 3 minutes to install the update. As soon as your meter has booted, you can double-check if the firmware was updated in the splash screen or in the settings, and then get back to measuring.